We got a request from Lakshman on Canon.
Open source AI tools for Asian, South Indian vegetarian recipes cooking.
Are you tired of cooking the same meals over and over again? Have you ever found yourself staring at a fridge full of ingredients, wondering what to do with them? Cooking can be a hassle, but with the power of AI, it doesn't have to be. Today, we're going to show you how AI can help you cook better, faster, and more creatively. We've got a few different tools to try out, so let's get started. Food is an essential part of our daily lives. It brings us together, and it fuels our bodies. But we know, not everyone is born with the gift of cooking. I mean, from the honest words of Carol Siskind.
Stop it. Get some help.
Some people may find cooking intimidating or time-consuming, while others might struggle to come up with creative recipes using the ingredients they have on hand. But what if there was a solution to all of these problems? So, what exactly are AI cooking assistants? These are basically software tools that use artificial intelligence to analyze recipes and generate a list of ingredients, as well as step-by-step instructions on how to cook the meal. They can also suggest variations on the recipe based on your dietary preferences and restrictions, including vegetarian, gluten-free, and dairy-free. They can also suggest ingredient substitutions and modifications to the recipe to accommodate your preferences. There are quite a number of AI cooking assistants available, each with its own unique features. For example, some assistants can suggest wine pairings for your meal, while others can adjust the recipe to match the size of your cooking pot. Here are some. First up, we've got Recipe by AI. This tool is perfect for those times when you've got a bunch of random ingredients in your kitchen and no idea what to make. Simply enter the ingredients you have on hand, and let your personal AI chef come up with a tailor-made recipe just for you. And if you're feeling brave, you can even try it with some really weird ingredient combinations, like, I don't know, pickles and ice cream. Okay, maybe not that weird. But you get the idea. No more wasting time scrolling through endless recipe websites, trying to find something that fits your limited ingredients. Next up, we've got ChatGPT. By now, we all know the AI wizard called ChatGPT and its near unlimited capabilities. Well, this tool can help you with all kinds of cooking questions and dilemmas. Need a substitution for an ingredient? Ask ChatGPT. Can't figure out how to cook a certain dish? Ask ChatGPT. Feeling lonely in the kitchen and needing someone to talk to? Okay, maybe don't ask ChatGPT for that, but you get the point. And what if you have no idea what ingredients you want to use? That's where ChatGPT comes in. ChatGPT is a language model that can help you generate ideas for recipes. You can have a conversation with it, and it will suggest recipes based on your preferences. Now, let's get a little bit more creative with Unreal Meal AI. This tool generates AI-generated images of meals that don't actually exist. Yes, you heard that right. These meals are completely unreal. But don't let that stop you from using them as inspiration for your own cooking projects. Who knows, you might even come up with the next viral food trend. Finally, we've got ChefGPT.xyz. This AI-powered tool takes things to the next level with its ability to customize recipe recommendations based on the ingredients you have on hand, your cooking skills, and even the amount of time you have to cook. With different chef modes to choose from, like gourmet mode or all-in mode, you can get recipes tailored to your preferences. With these tools, even a novice cook can make delicious meals in no time. So, can AI make better meals? The answer is yes.
What?
Or maybe not. By using AI-powered cooking tools, you can make meals that are creative, delicious, and customized to your liking. So why not give them a try today? However, there are also some potential drawbacks and limitations to using AI cooking assistants. For example, they may not always generate the most creative or interesting meals, and they may not take into account your personal taste preferences. They might even seldom give trashy recommendations. But honestly, that should be no surprise. In conclusion, we encourage you to try out these tools and find one that works for you. You just might discover your new sous chef de cuisine. And if you love discovering new and amazing AI tools, subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.